What is fluffy? What is white? What can you see when skies are bright? What can float? What brings rain? What may be heard than a bird or a plane? Say it out loud. A cloud. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Moon so round and yellow, looking from on high, how I love to see you shining in the sky. Often I do wonder, when I see you there, how they get to light you, hanging in the air